Hello friends, I welcome you all in my channel Smile with Pooja. Who are new to my channel, please subscribe to it. Don't forget to like and share and hit the bell icon to get the notification. This part-wise video is all about replacement options for missing tooth or teeth. So let's begin and see what are the options available for those who have single missing tooth or multiple missing teeth. There are two types of options for replacement, either removable or fixed. It depends on your oral structure and adjacent teeth that determines which replacement option is best for you. Starting with removable, there are removable partial denture. If single or multiple teeth are missing, it is suggested, and the other is complete denture. If all teeth are missing, then complete denture is made. Coming to fixed teeth option, there is fixed partial denture and implant. Both are fixed option, but the big difference is that in fixed partial denture, adjacent teeth must be in a good condition to place a FPD, whereas in implant there is no need to damage the adjacent teeth, it is placed directly in the missing tooth area. Start with removable partial denture. To replace a small section of missing teeth, RPD is used. It looks and functions like normal teeth. RPD are suggested for individual with a few missing teeth and when tooth support is not there, especially for the back teeth. Second is complete denture. As I told you before, complete denture means replacement of all the teeth. Complete dentures are replacement teeth when all your natural teeth have been removed. It comes in two types. You can wear immediate complete denture for a couple of months while you wait for your gum tissue to heal. After that, you can get conventional complete dentures. Third is fixed partial denture. Fixed partial denture is a fixed bridge which is used to replace missing teeth and that is permanently attached to adjacent teeth. Fixed partial dentures are suggested if you have healthy adjacent teeth. Fourth is implant. A dental implant is a metal post that replaces the root portion of a missing teeth. An artificial tooth crown is placed on the extension of the post abutment on the dental implant, giving you the look of a real teeth. It is the most recommended option for missing teeth. All these four options we will discuss in detail in our following part-wise videos. But now let's understand what is the need to replace the teeth and what will happen if you don't replace them. Have you ever thought before, what is the need to replace missing teeth? Why can't you leave it like that? Why your dentist suggests replacement of teeth after extraction? The answer is because it helps in digestion, it helps in speaking, it provides fullness to your face. The loss of a tooth can cause your bone to deteriorate and muscle to droop over time. Replacing the missing tooth helps to keep them in place. What will happen if you don't replace your teeth? If you don't replace your missing teeth with any of the given options, then there are chances of overgrowth of opposite teeth. When a tooth is missing for a long period of time, the teeth that sit opposite to the missing tooth begin to super erupt or overgrow. Because there is nothing there to stop it, the tooth will erupt, creating problems that can affect your bite and mouth structure. The other issue is tooth misalignment. Due to the gap, the surrounding teeth begin to move together in an effort to fill the gap. The end result is crooked teeth. The resulting crooked teeth can become a source of bite challenges that require correction through orthodontics. That's how replacement can stop shifting of the teeth. Sometimes missing tooth cause bone resorption over a period of time. The bone structure around the unoccupied tooth begins to deteriorate if there is nothing there to stimulate it. As a result, the bone loss can cause your cheeks and lips to lose support from your bone structure, which will change your physical appearance. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any suggestion regarding anything, please write down to us and stay tuned with us for next video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Smile with Pooja.